To get Wi-Fi on American Airlines, start by ensuring your device is in airplane mode. Enable Wi-Fi and select the American Airlines network from the list of available networks. The network name will typically be AA in-flight or similar. Once you have connected to the network, open a web browser on your device and navigate to ainflight.com. This will take you to the American Airlines Wi-Fi portal where you can purchase or log into your existing Wi-Fi plan. If you do not have a Wi-Fi plan, you can purchase one by clicking on the Buy Wi-Fi button and following the prompts to complete your purchase. American Airlines offers various Wi-Fi plans, including a single flight pass or a monthly subscription. After purchasing or logging into your Wi-Fi plan, you will be redirected to the American Airlines Wi-Fi homepage where you can access the internet, stream movies and TV shows, and stay connected with family and friends on the ground. Some key things to keep in mind when using American Airlines Wi-Fi include being aware of data limits and speeds, as they can vary depending on the plan you choose and the number of passengers using the Wi-Fi network. Additionally, some devices may not be compatible with the American Airlines Wi-Fi network, so it is a good idea to check with the airline before your flight to ensure your device will work. To get the most out of your American Airlines Wi-Fi experience, consider purchasing a Wi-Fi plan in advance, as this can often be cheaper than buying one on the plane. Also, be sure to download any movies or TV shows you want to watch before your flight, as streaming can use up a lot of data. By following these steps and tips, you can easily get Wi-Fi on American Airlines and stay connected and entertained during your flight.